So we all know streamerbot can do a multitude of things. I have a command set up right now in streamerbot that will display my latest YouTube video. But the problem with that is I always had to go back and manually update it. And I really got tired of just having to manually update it every time I released a new video on my YouTube channel. And I wanted to share it with my Twitch. So I did a little bit of research and I found a video by Andilippi. You know him, he is an absolutely amazing content creator. I'll leave a link to his channel down below. But I watched his video and I was like, this is going to be perfect. And he did a video about 2 years ago. Some things have changed since then. Some of the code has changed just a little bit. But we're going to go through it today. We're going to give you an updated version of it. We're going to give you the information on how to set it up, how to add it to streamerbot, and how to add commands for it as well. And also a time reaction. That way it will automatically post in your Twitch channel during your live streams. All right, so the first thing we need to do, of course, is open up streamerbot. As you can see right here, this is the old command or old time action I had for my and my wife's YouTube channel, and it was on a 15-20 minute timer, so it would pop out and it would show the current video. However, what was required every time we put out a new video, I would have to delete the inside message and paste in the new link. And I really got tired of this. I figured there had to be a way that I could do it on an automated update schedule, and that is what exactly we're going to do today. But the first thing we need to do is go to import, and we're going to import a string of code that I will give you down in the description below. But that is the string of code right there. It is already copied, so we just go back over here to streamerbot real quick. We're going to copy and paste that in there, so Control V. And as you can see down at the bottom, what happens is when you import that string of code, it gives you the latest YouTube down here at the bottom. So we're going to import that. And now we have a new command or a new basic action for fetching our URL from our channel. So the first thing we need to do is create a trigger so we can actually get this information inside of our Twitch channel. So there are a couple of options. So we can go right here. We're going to right click on our triggers. We are going to go to core, and we're going to go to commands, and we're going to go command triggered. And we want to create a new command. So all we have to do is name what our command is going to be. So let's just say YouTube shoutout. Let me retype that. And then we have to actually give it a command. So commands, we're going to do exclamation mark U just for the sake of today's video. And we're going to click OK. So now we have a command that will trigger this. So let's click OK. So now that we've got a command set up, we need to be able to fetch our own YouTube information from our YouTube channel. So what we need to do is go to YouTube, go right here on our profile, click it, go down to settings, and we're going to go to advanced settings, and we need to click on channel ID and click copy. Then we're going to go back inside of streamerbot. We are going to double click on that fetch URL. We're going to go all the way to the end. And we're going to erase everything up until the equal mark. Then we copy and paste our channel ID in there. We click OK. Okay, so now that we've copied and pasted everything inside of the sub action, now we need to go in here and check and see if it actually works on our Twitch channel. So let's go over to Twitch. So let's type in the command, and our command was U. So exclamation mark YOU. And that should bring up the link, and it does. Check out my latest video. Streamlabs has plugins now, and if we click the link, it should take us to that video. So let's go over here. Let's click this link. And there is the new video right there. That is the most recent video on my YouTube channel. And that is just how simple it is to set up a shout out for your latest YouTube video for your channel. We're going to do one more as a timed action. So let's just get rid of the trigger here. So right click, let's delete trigger. Yes, I want to delete it. So after we delete that trigger, we're going to go back there. Right click, we're going to tap core. We're going to go to time actions. And we're going to create a timer. Let's call it YouTube as well. And now we need to decide how long we want to wait before this command is actually given out. So interval is in seconds. So let's just say we want to have it go out every 10 seconds. So let's go 10. You can have as many lines of text. So if your chat is not really super active, you can have it up to as 5 lines, 10 lines, however many you want. So let's hit OK. So we're going to click OK one more time. So now we have a timed action that every 10 seconds, it should post our link to our latest YouTube video. So let's go back to Twitch real quick. Let's go right here. And we're going to have to wait 10 seconds again because there we go. And it automatically posted the link to our most recent YouTube video inside of our Twitch channel. And that is really just how easy it is to set up a timed action or command for a shout out for your most recent YouTube video on your Twitch channel. Once again, thanks so much for watching this video. Big thanks to Andilippi for the original video, for this shout out command, and for the updated information that I found on it as well. But I'll leave information for the import string and the link that you'll need for your set it up correctly. But anyway, hope you enjoyed this video. Look forward to seeing you in the next one. And until next time, much love, peace out, and we'll see you soon.